Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how strikes work on Robinhood, the consequences, and what to do to avoid them. What is a day trade on Robinhood? Basically, you buy a share and then you sell it the same day. Example, you buy Uber and before the day ends, you sell Uber. You have 3-day trades in a 5 trading day period. You can find how many trades you have done in the last 5 days. Just open Robinhood, go to account, select investing, scroll down, and you'll see how many trades you have used. In this example, I already have used all my trades. But what happens and what are the consequences when you do more than 3-day trades? In this example, I bought Uber on Monday and I sold it the same day. That's one day trade. I do the same thing with Apple on Tuesday. That's my second day trade. And in the last day, I sold Microsoft. Then on Thursday, I bought 100 shares of Uber and I'm doing pretty well. I gain a lot of money, so I decided to sell them. The next day, I'm gonna be marked as a Potter Day trader and my account will be suspended for 90 days. And what's going to happen is that I'm not allowed to buy more shares or options. But if you still have shares from any company, you can still sell them, even options, but you will have to wait 1 day. So you're only allowed to do 3-day trades, right? So what you can do to avoid the PDT rule is just open multiple accounts like Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, which all of them are free, and you can do 3-day trades on Robinhood, and then with your other account, Webull, you do another 3-day trades, and finally with Ameritrade you do the 3-day trades too, or have $25,000. And if you guys decide to open up a brokerage account with Webull, you guys will get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. It is pretty easy to sign up. The link is in the description. Definitely check it out since it is considered one of the best stock apps out there. Cash accounts are similar between brokerages. They all need a period of time so that the money settles. The PDT rule does not apply for the cash accounts, and therefore you can day trade, but you cannot use margin. So I remember I did the more than 3-day trades on my 4 accounts on Ameritrade, so I had to call them. On Webull, and I called them too. I told them this was my first time. Is there any way I could just get the restriction removed? And they said yes. So I was ready to day trade. But when it comes to Robinhood, it doesn't really work. I emailed them and it didn't work. So you just gotta be careful with that. This is it, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more beginners tutorials, and so don't forget to hit the notification button. Have a great day. Bye.